how to delete all messages on Discord DMs. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First of all, you should know that you cannot delete all of the messages at once. You have to delete it manually. So head over to your application Discord, enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once logged in, head over to message icon at the top left corner of the screen. All of the inboxes will be visible to you. Now you simply need to head over to the inbox of the person that you want to delete. Once you're in their inbox, click on your profile icon. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on close DM. And there you go, the conversation with this person has been deleted. Likewise, you need to delete any of the DMs that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.